What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome to the channel if you're new. But today's episode we're going to be unboxing our new Simpson pressure washer we bought. I used to have one of these, but the pump broke, so I just figured I'd buy a new one because they work really good, and it's a 3100 psi. I don't want any more than that for washing houses and decks and stuff. I don't need too much pressure for that stuff for vehicles, so we're gonna get you guys set up and do some unboxing and get her filled up with engine oil and maybe get out and wash the trucks and trailer, or the truck, trailer, and work car. But all right, we'll get you guys set up for this. You guys set there for the first one, please. Handle, come on. There's one. That's what it needs to be. No nozzles. Box, right? Put it together. Get everything level now. Update for you guys. We got her all put together. Now we just gotta put the hose on and put some oil in it and gas and fire it up. I want to cut towards the hose. Cut it. That's up. Here we are, everybody. Now we're to the stage where we just gotta put some of this engine oil in that they send with it. Just gotta take this plug out. This is the dipstick and fill hole. See there? And we just gotta fill it up till it's full on the dipstick. Hey, there we go. Ooh. She's kind of full. Don't mind the kids. Make her probably a little more level. Almost. Yeah, Linky's helping now. Dumped the whole bag in there, so hopefully it's enough. Barely in the fill hole, but maybe it'll be enough. Thanks, Linky.
Well, at least two.
Yeah, it's full. Good there. And now we're just gonna get a paper towel, clean that stuff up, and fill her up with gas. We are to the point of filling her with gas. Let's get her filled up. Don't really need that. Not much left in this tank. Yeah, still dripping all over. I found the longest funnel I could find. Alright, she's to the fuel level in there. You guys can see her. But alright, get this fuel cleaned off here. Alright, let's go over to the hose and hook it up and fire this beast up. As you guys can probably tell, we strapped you on the head here. This is a hot rod we're gonna test the pressure washer out on. Whoo! But alright, we're gonna turn the water on here and try her out. Turn it on, it is on. Turn the idle up, we'll turn her on full middle. Gas is on, turn the choke on. There's a primer ball in here. We'll just put this blue nozzle on for right now, or a green one, not blue. See what that does. Alright, well, here goes nothing. How many pulls will it take? Almost. This thing should start. What's going on here? Just gotta keep pulling. Spark plugs on. Alright, I guess. Keep pulling her. Oh, pop. Huh. Oop, almost. Not looking good, Simpson. Oh, almost. Whoa, there we go. low cut. Oh yeah, she's running good now. This took a little while to start it, but to be expected, I guess. First start. Woo! Try it out on the hot rod. Clean Linky's car out. Come back. Get that out of there. Oh yeah, she works good though. Got air in the lines, this is no biggie. Nothing's leaking yet. Looking good. Bought this pressure washer on sale at Tractor Supply for $269. Like I said, had one before, they worked really good. Alright, woo, that's nice, that works good. Alright everybody, that is a wrap with this quick little unboxing video, but yeah, it works pretty good. If you guys are looking for a cheap pressure washer that doesn't break the bank, or a cheaper pressure washer that doesn't break the bank and want a gas one, I'd definitely go to your local Tractor Supply and get one of these Simpson brands. They also have ones that have Honda motors on them if you want to spend a little bit more money, like 50 more bucks only. But alright, yeah, works good. I'm not going to run through the nozzles. You guys can do that if you end up buying one, but stay tuned for the next video where we're going to do some pressure washing on the vehicles. I just want to keep this one the unboxing one. But alright, peace.